guys, welcome back to my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I've always used Candle Science 8-ounce tins, but recently I came across Olii Craft and decided to order their 8-ounce tins and compare them to the ones I get from Candle Science. Being a small business owner, it's easy to get comfortable and want to stick with the same supplier, but you should always be searching for a better deal. When I ordered from Olii Craft, I only thought I ordered the white tins, but somehow these mocha tins end up coming as well. Let's compare prices. Candle Science tins are 96 cents each. 120 pieces come to $115.91. Olii Craft tins are $1.20 per tin. 120 pieces from Olii Craft come out to $144.75. If you're buying 120 pieces, Olii Craft is $28.84 more expensive than Candle Science. What makes Olii Craft the winner to me is the shipping time, which was super quick, and the shipping price. Plus, their delivery time is faster. So Olii Craft wins for now. Tell me who you buy your tins from in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and like. I'll talk to you later. Bye.